Hi everyone, welcome back to a latest video, and as promised, this is gonna be my day in my life series. Not a series, like a typical day in my life, how everything goes, how I tackle my online classes and this preparation. So the very first thing that I do after I wake up is go through the Hindu newspaper. I believe this is something that I should do and exclude and tick off my to-do list. So here this is. I download the newspaper. I don't have a physical newspaper right now, so I download the newspaper here and I read it. I highlight different points that I have to study. So this is how it goes. So let's see how the day goes today. I start my day basically with going through my to-do list, and no, I don't make a daily to-do but a weekly to-do. I'll be starting the day with Democratic Politics. This is class 9th book. I have already completed the basics till 8, that is for the foundation level, for almost every subject like history, geography, pol science and economics. Economics we have it from 9, so I've completed 9 and 10 books, so I'm done with the foundation. Now I am doing books of class 9, 10. I'll be, for this month my goal is to complete 9, 10, 11, 12 pol science book and start with Indian polity. So right now I'm in chapter 3, so I'll continue reading this. Presently, this is a book that I'm reading, Why I Am an Atheist. Presently, it's 11:45 right now. I was basically doing some sums from departmental accounting. So, yes, many of you don't know, but I'm into my second year of college right now. I have opted for BCom honors in finance and accounting. So, I'll be continuing this till like 2 hours, obviously, till almost 1:45, and then I have to take a bath and get ready for my online classes. See you. So right now it's almost 5 minutes to 3. My classes for online classes for college starts from 3. It will continue till 7. So last day we did some log sums. Yes. So classes till 7. See you after that. So my classes ended at 7. I was so exhausted today that I had to take a break. So it's 8 o'clock right now. I'll be doing the continuation of politics that I was studying. So I'll definitely complete this chapter and maybe start with the next chapter. So let's see how it goes. It's 10 right now, so this is usually our family time. We basically play Ludo. This is a habit that we have developed this quarantine period. So after playing, I'll be having my dinner and we'll be off to sleep. No, not off to sleep. Basically, I'll complete reading this one. Not complete. I'm still reading this. So we'll just complete reading this one and then sleep. So it's almost 12 right now. It's my sleeping time. I sleep late. I'll just lie down and maybe surf through the internet. So my table is a mess. I've not cleaned anything today. And I hate unorganized tables. So I need to clean everything. and then only I'll go to sleep. So these are some books that I've been currently reading. Not currently reading, I've completed majority books. Ikigai I did not complete. I'll start with Nationalism. And rest apart, I guess I've read everything. So yeah. So I'll be giving you a table tour, like what all things I have. These are definitely not all the books that I have. I have so here I have only the Pol Science and the economics book. The rest I have outside. So if you want to see a video where I show my table, where I show you the material, although I don't have a lot of material right now, but if you want to see what materials I have, kindly comment. I'll definitely do not a room tour, but a table tour for sure. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya, bye bye.